Hello everyone, this is Jonathan again, this time with another lesson. Today's lesson will focus on scale and the building of scales, scale formation. As a musician, you will have to know your scale in order for you to really play songs really well. And for you to know scales, you have to know how the scales are formed. If you haven't watched my previous lesson on the name of the notes and how many notes there are on the key, on the piano keys, just go and check the previous lesson. To build a scale, let's say if I want to build a scale of C, previously we talked about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Now I'm going to stay on C. To build a scale from C, we're going to use that very simple formula. Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. I'm going to explain to you. From C, when you skip a note, you go to D, that's a whole step. Skipping a note is a whole step. From D to E is another whole step. You skip this note, which is D sharp or E flat, and here there is no notes in between. So whole step, half step. Here is a whole step, which you skip this note. There's another whole step again. You skip this note. There is another one again. You skip this note, and this is a half step. From the note C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's the scale of C. Now, if you use this formula for any other note, you get the same result. You're gonna hear da 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 da, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now let's go for C sharp or D flat. What's the formula again? Whole step, this note is skipped. Whole step, half step, whole step, another whole step, and then half step. Now hear that. Da 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 da. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Sounds like this, except it is one, it's just a sharpen, or it's just a higher key, half step. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let's say you start from D now. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Where I come from? Whole step, half step, whole step, and then whole step again, then half step. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. One step higher from C sharp. Okay, you want to start from E flat? Same thing. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step. You get that. Any key you want to start, you're gonna get that. From F, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same pattern. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step. That is how you construct a scale from any key. Okay? From any key you want to. What is this? G. Same logic. Whole step, half step, whole step, and then half step. Okay? And with that, now that you know the name of the notes, you know how to construct a scale, you are able now to build some harmony from those scales. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about harmony. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new. And as I said, if you are new, just learning the basic of piano, I will teach you from beginning, the ABCs of the piano. So you'll be able to play any song in as little as no time. Just subscribe, leave a comment for me, like, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I have a new video, which I will upload every day, you will get it, and so that you can follow the course with me. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.